General Mkhwanazi is playing the country and is playing a mind game to the country and is actually playing those that are prepared to listen to him. Because he knows how to play with words and what to say and the things he needs to say and how to say it in such a way that the country get moved. He will say, we are doing this thing for the country and to protect the people of South Africa. Me, I can defend myself, but the people of South Africa, who's defending them? Now he wants to play that he's defending the people of South Africa. Now he will then come and say, dockets were taken by General Sibiya, they are in his office, in his archives. I don't have dockets in my office, in my archive. I don't have that. And then he makes serious allegations in such a way that if someone was to say, General Mkhwanazi, you are the provincial commissioner. The police in KZN received information to go and conduct a search and seizure at Kalakabusha Hospital, Correctional Services. And they went there and they searched. And as they searched, they found drugs. Then someone call General Mkhwanazi or a call come into the suspect that is being arrested's phone, say, give them the phone. And then the suspect give the phone to General Mkhwanazi. General Mkhwanazi says, you stop right there, you stop what you are doing, that docket must be taken there. That's interference. And that's defeating. If it was done by someone else, that person would have been suspended. Just let's compare the fact that he says, when they went to arrest Katiso Molefe, a team was sent from head office to there. He did the same. But there's no crime there because as far as I'm concerned, what he does, there's no wrong. If he sent his team to go and kidnap a ballistic expert, seize the laptop, take the laptops, the files, and add ballistic expert, that is obstruction of justice, interfering. And then he comes here and he says, no. The members were doing their work and they didn't intimidate and they were even bought lunch. Why are they interfering with the investigative system? Because there's a chain of possession.